Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be sharing with you my take on lobster fried rice. If you want to see how I do it, then continue watching. Okay, let's begin. I have 2 lobster tails boiling, and now while that is working out, I'm going to work on the celery. 1 stalk of celery. So I'm just cutting these up into little pieces. Now the onion. It's a medium onion. And you know I don't enjoy doing this, so I'm trying to do this as quickly as I can. Onions don't like me and I don't like them. So you know. Okay, now the bell pepper. This is such an odd shape. Okay, got it. So I'm going to use a half of this because I have enough green now from the celery, and also I'm going to be using the mixed veg. So that's enough green. Cut this up. Nice little pieces. So now this is my take. Whatever you don't use, you don't have to add. My recipes are just for a guide, so feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. It's up to you. My recipes are not gospel, so you work it to suit you. And of course, I'm using Bahamian long grain rice today for this. So I'm going to try some of this. Hubby doesn't really like the long grain, but I'm just using it because I'm making fried rice. Here's the garlic. 1 nice large clove of garlic. So I guess once I put the soy sauce in the rice, then it should be good. Instead of me using the parboiled. So this should work out. Getting everything cut up, chopped up. This is the garlic. So I boiled my lobster earlier. So I'm just allowing them to cool off because I have to cut them open, and I don't want to do that while they're super hot. Don't want to do it while they're hot. That's the garlic. Yes. Garlic, bell pepper, celery, and onion. Now make sure you check out the description box. Everything that I use are going to be right in the box below. Be sure to check it out. So I have 2 lobster tail, 1 large, extra large, and 1 large. So now I'm just going to cut it down. This is the way that I learned to do it. This is the softest part. Right at the end, and you switch it around, bring it down, and just with 1 whack, it's done. Open it up, take out the intestines. You don't want that in it, so just remove that. So now I'm just going to extract the meat from the shell like thing. Okay. Right, I'm getting it. And this is sticky too. Piece of shell. Okay, I got it. This was an extra large one. Get all of that goodness out. Now to this, I will not be adding any salt. No salt for me. Soy sauce is already high in sodium, so that's going to be the seasoning for me. Now if you want to add salt, feel free to do so. But I don't need any extra salt. Look at the meat. Oh my word. So now I am starting the rice. I've already fried my egg. That's the onion, celery, bell pepper. And next I just added the garlic in. and that's in a little bit of oil. Now I'm not adding a lot of oil in this because I don't want a pot full of oily rice. No, I just used about 1 pot spoon full of oil. That should be enough just to saute these down, just to soften them a bit. The veggie that I've added. Now the frozen mixed veg. Okay, now if you don't want this in it, you don't have to add this, but this is what I want in my lobster fried rice. Just about a little over a cup full should be enough. Now if you want more than that, feel free. Get that mixed up. This is my recipe and I thought I'd share it with you. I am still bringing the restaurant home. Okay, that's all vegetables in this pot with a little bit of oil. Onion, celery, garlic, bell pepper, and of course the mixed veg. I have to add a little bit more oil. Just a little bit. That's about a tablespoonful, give or take. Just so that the veggies that I've added can soften up some. Now the star, the lobster meat. They have already been chunked up. Okay. Now I boiled them, but they're not cooked fully. I just wanted to be able to get them out of the shell. So we'll finish cook in this. Give this a good mixing. Oh, it smells wonderful in here. Oh my word. Whew. Man, you don't have to go out for stuff like this. Make it yourself. Try your hand. You might surprise yourself one of these times. Give it a try. The recipes are here. Use them. Alter them. Let's go. Let it work. Bring the restaurant home. Turn it down a bit. Allow it to simmer with the cover on. Okay, this is after about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to take that off and I'm just breaking up the eggs that I fried earlier. This is 3 eggs. I fried these earlier. Okay, 2 minutes or so, and now I can stir before adding anything else. Oh my, that smells wonderful. So we'll be having this with baked chicken. Okay, that's the eggs. All right, all of that mixed up. Now the rice. Okay, now I cooked this rice. I had the camera on, but for some reason the camera went off and I didn't know. I thought I was recording it. All I did is I fixed it as if I was making white rice. My grandma would call it rice below. All I did was added the kitchen bouquet, just a little bit of that, like about a tablespoon, with water. No salt or nothing in it. The seasonings are going to come from the soy sauce. Like I always say, less is always best. Now this is about 2.5 cups of rice. So I'm cooking enough so we can have some for tomorrow dinner as well. And that's the soy sauce. This is high in sodium, so if you're going to use salt or anything that has salt in it, you got to use it sparingly. So that's why I didn't put any seasonings on my lobster or anything else. Give it a good mixing. That's gonna pull the flavor together. That soy sauce. Now I'm not using any of that fancy stuff, the oyster sauce and peanut oil and all those different oils, sesame. No, I don't have that. I'm not using it. I only want the soy sauce. And this is my take, my Bahamian take on lobster fried rice. Nothing else I need. And it's going to be good, trust me. That's it. Rice below, or you can use plain white rice. But I just wanted to see a little color in it. And that meant if I had made up my mind to use the white rice, I would have had to use too much soy sauce. And that what I had wouldn't have been enough. And I was not into adding that with salt for me. Nope. This is sufficient sodium. Just adding to get some more rice out of this pot. So I'm being careful not to scrape this pot. Okay, that's a piece of pot cake. Don't want that in there. So I'm getting some more in. Alright. Probably wanted this. Lobster fried rice. But knowing my daughter, she's going to pick out every vegetable in this rice. Oh my word. Every one she's going to pick out. So I have the vegetables, I have egg, the lobster, and the rice, of course, along with the soy sauce and the oil. Now when I'm warming this again, I would add some butter. Give it a little taste test. This would tell me if I need more soy sauce or not. I added more rice, so yes, I do need some more. Just like I was saying, when I'm warming it again, just add a little butter, fry it down with a little butter, or in the microwave with some butter on it, and good to go. So I would advise you to cook it with a lot of oil or grease. It's just gonna make your stomach upset. At least I know that's what it would do to my stomach. So I don't like cooking with too much grease. Give this a good mixing. Oh my word. I am still bringing the restaurant home. We are having lobster fried rice. I baked a whole fryer, a whole chicken, fried some plantains, and I made some slaw. Okay, I'm just going to jazz this up a bit with some red pepper flakes. Get that mixed up. Now I know everybody cook their fried rice in a wok. I don't have a wok, so I'm using this large flat pot. Actually, this is my soup pot. It's not so deep and it's just right, and it's wide. So I have enough space to turn it around, turn it over. That's what you're going to need. There you have it. That's it. This is my take on lobster fried rice. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Leave a comment, share it out. Please don't forget to check the description box. Subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.